In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple collections to a page in Shopify. This is a great way to showcase different product groups on a single page, like new arrivals, bestsellers, and sale all in one place. I'll walk you through the process step by step inside the Shopify theme editor so you can follow along on your own store. First, sign into your Shopify account and head to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see your orders, products, and other key information. From the menu on the left-hand side, click on Online Store. This is where you manage how your website looks to your customers. Under Online Store, you'll see your themes. Find the theme you're currently using and click on Edit Theme or Customize, depending on the label you see. This opens the Theme Editor, where you can visually edit your storefront. On the left side of the theme editor, you'll see your template sections for the page you're currently editing. Make sure you're on the page where you want to show multiple collections. Then look for an option to add a new section and click Add Section. A list of available sections will appear. Scroll through the list and look for a section called Featured Collection Carousel or something similar in your theme. Click on that option to add it to your page. This creates a new Featured Collection section. Once the section is added, click on it in the left-hand panel to open its settings. At the top of the settings, next to the word Collection, click on Select. A list of your existing collections will appear. Choose the first collection you want to feature, then confirm. You can adjust titles or display options here if you like. Now that the first collection is in place, hover over that section in the left panel and click the duplicate icon. This quickly creates a copy with the same layout and settings. Click into the newly duplicated section. At the top of this duplicated section, next to Collection again, click on Replace. From the list, choose the second collection you want to add. The section will now display that new collection. If you want to add more collections, simply repeat the same process. Duplicate the section, open the new one, and replace the collection with another choice. You can drag sections up or down to reorder how they appear on the page. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Save in the top right corner of the theme editor. Your page will now display multiple collections, each in its own carousel section, ready for your customers to browse.